Okay, final piece of my horn skit came. I opened it only just to see if all the stuff was in there, and yeah, it is. So, what I got was another Yugoslavian mess kit from MOE Mountain. I've never been disappointed. So yeah. Let's see if I can actually get it's more lighter. Yeah, this should be good. It's the OD. You know what? Let's just go in here. Let me get something to put on or lean against. Anyway. We'll have it like that. Okay. Okay. The Yugoslavian mess kit. Okay, it looks like it is inscribed by somebody on the back of that. Let's see if there's any... Actually, if there's any else, I can easily get it off anyway. I have access to stuff to... Wow, that is hard to get open. Now, it looks like it is been inscribed on. If y'all can see, yeah, y'all probably can't see. Here is the silverware. I'm gonna see if I can get all of it out. Let's see if there's any rusting on it. That's the first thing I'm gonna get. Oh God. How do I do this? Oh God. Ready to do it? Ah. Da. Seems like a little bit of rust in there, but that's more than okay. Yeah, there's some rust on here, but I can easily get it off. And it says, whatever, and I can easily get whatever rust off, so that's nothing to me. I will probably have some rust on it either way. So, yeah, there's the silverware part. There's some rust on here, but it's easily gotten off. Easily. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, whatever. Here's the bowl, which can easily be cleaned. Okay. Comes with the smaller one. I believe this is supposed to be the canteen thing. I don't know. Seems to be rusting. Actually, aluminum doesn't really rust. Huh. Looks like it does. Huh. Anyway, I can easily de-rust that. Here's the... I forgot how small this actually was. And then here's the thing. There's rust on here and rust in here a little bit. That's nothing to me to get rid of, so honestly, yeah, nothing. It is ceramic, so it's obviously going to be, yeah. Honestly, this is the last part of my kit because I knew I would need a thing. And honestly, like, these are going to be really good to have anyway, because I think they're probably a little bit small, but that's okay. I can easily put those in one of my side pouches. So, that's right. Now, supposedly, I'm going to show this, because I don't think now, I ordered another one because I had no idea what the other one was. Okay, so supposedly... Okay? And supposedly also, this one fits right here, which does not, obviously. But that's okay. So you can have, okay, I'm cooking and all that. It's actually a really nice thing to have. There's meant to be rust on here either way, because it's like from probably like 1990 something. So it's like, meh, yeah. So it's like nothing. And this is easily gotten off the rust, so it's like nothing to me. I do have, now remember, by the way, remember, they have it like this on front. And yeah. Yeah, the rust could easily come off on this because I can actually get into it. Besides, I'm probably using the can opener port anyway, like most of the time. I like how in the pouch it has a thing for the silverware. I love that. And when I think of mess kits, of like military mess kits, I think of the Yugoslavian one. Because the Yugoslavian one is actually uniform, you know? So, yeah. Let's put this right here. Also, I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but it has like a, well, you'll see. Like that. Yeah. But that doesn't matter to me because I'm, because it actually fits, so it's like, yay. So yeah, I decided I wanted another one of these because honestly, if I'm gonna do a mess kit, I'm gonna do one that's good like that, right? So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna upload this today. Screw it. I was gonna wait, but I'm already filmed it, so yeah. This is kind of heavy for what it is, but that's okay. Anyway, peace.